Alrighty guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're playing some Ashe in the mid lane, and our runes are Lethal Tempo, Presence of Mind, Bloodline, Cut the Grass, Approach Velocity, and Biscuit Delivery. We'll be doing max attack speed Ashe, and we're gonna see how fast we can attack.
Press on.
So yeah, we'll see how this goes. We are versing a Annie. Interesting. Okay. So it's gonna be a very interesting and fun build.
See how close they can get.
Okay. Sure, fair enough. She just ran away and I was only auto attacking her. So I still have mana. And I'm missing all my minions.
This requires a steady hand.
Oh, she went back, okay. She only has one minion.
My people know only cold and hardship. I will teach them peace.
See where she is. She's there.
You face true ice.
Oh man.
You face death.
That's my cannons. Okay. I'm gonna ward.
My mercy has
Auto
limits.
attack you. Auto attack. Auto attack. Oh nice. There's blood.
I was raised for war. I am Iceborn.
Oh, nice.
This is my
I'm
word
gonna
to
auto attack
you.
you, sir. Oh, she's so low. Let's go. Try to get her. Oh. Let's get it with this. Boom. Stop bullying me.
Prepare yourself. You face an Iceborn.
Okay, why are you bullying me? Please don't. No. Oh, oh my god. I just tried to ghost flash.
We are all kin of
It
kin.
didn't work.
Blood of blood.
Oh. How's bot lane doing? I can kill her honestly. I have some attack speed and some on hit, so and she's pushing in anyway.
Away!
An ally has been slain.
I will not allow us to be divided. We are one.
Alive.
Fog, warm blood. Was that your best? I killed you without trying.
I'm just chilling.
They will not choose
You
you.
wanna get some revenge? That's what I thought.
I greet you.
Nice. Okay, sure. am I already 4-1?
What is goodness but trying to do better than your forebears?
Oh god. We all know, man. That is scary, dude. This is scary. God help me. Goodbye. Hey, hey, hey. You will be met.
Like the Freljord.
And now, you'll take another one. Oh. Let's get some beautiful kiting. Oh no.
Blessed three sisters,
got, like, a
give me
machine or
strength to
something.
endure what I must. Give me courage to fight who I must. Give me knowledge to see the truth.
An ally has been slain.
I'm gonna shoot you.
There will be peace in the Freljord.
Oh god. Alright, let's just relax.
They are all.
Let's chill out.
An enemy has been slain.
Chill.
Double kill. An enemy has been slain.
Can you stop me? Oh no, I'm dead.
An enemy
Oh
is
my
unstoppable.
god. Wow. I live with 1 HP.
The ice is not pain, it is surrender.
Now I have to... Let's go. That was scary. Just Karthus is now camping me the whole time. So let's just deal with that one. We're close to this one though. This is gonna be our core item. And then we're gonna go like something.
The bow is my will given form. I am it. It is me.
See ya. W. Okay, okay. Can you just chill, please? Chill.
Right between the
How?
eyes.
How? Stop it. Okay, my guy. Can you just relax, please? I bet you someone's coming.
No fate is written except by us. Gods and spirits guide us, but our lives are our own.
You have slain an enemy.
Oh, nice. I got my stuff now. Got this.
I loved my mother.
Let's get the full
I
HP.
loved my battle sister. I love my people. It is because of this love that
We'll
I
go
fight.
Berserker's Greaves, and then we'll go... we'll see. We'll go with this item though, this sounds good. So, Berserker's Greaves into this item here. It's a cheap item too.
Hearthbound and Iceborn, Spirit Walker and Fireborn. All Freljordians are my kin.
An ally has been slain.
Mark where they died. That was as close as they got.
Killing. An enemy is legendary. An enemy has been slain.
See where they are. Okay. My knees.
As ice shatters, so shall you!
Oh, I hit him. So we're gonna be an annoying kiting machine.
I do not seek the throne of Avarosa. Can't miss! You face an ice board.
An enemy is legendary. An enemy has been slain.
All that frost touches, no.
Double kill.
Oh no. Alright.
A battle worthy of the Feldor.
Okay. Sure. I ghosted
Turret
by
plating
accident. Maybe I should go range raid.
shut down.
Yeah, I'll go rage. But nah, we're going hurricanes first. This sucks. But I can kill Tristana maybe. Oh never mind, I can't. She's 11 kills. She is literally like unkillable. Got to her.
My tribe will bring peace to the north. The south should fear us.
Watch me melt this. Watch me melt
An enemy
this.
is legendary.
Boom.
You have slain an enemy.
Fatality.
They fought an iceberg. They died.
An enemy is legendary.
It's way harder versing with
An
Carthage.
enemy has been slain.
Oh, actually, Mordecai is actually strong.
I am a war mother. I have given oaths to few. I have taken oaths from many.
Hmm.
Your team has destroyed the turret.
Wait, what? Let's get this. Let's get this. Oh. Alright, GG. I love you guys. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Don't forget to comment down below what I should do next. And I'll see you guys soon. Peace.